High altitude, dry climate, more days of sunshine than any other state in the Union. Sounds like a great place to be, unless you're a car. Denver, the mile-high city, is known for these qualities, which make living in the city a pretty sweet deal until you step into the driveway and see what it's done to your car. Faded and oxidized paint, cracking upholstery, and a chipped windshield are common sights on any vehicle that's spent its life in Denver. You may be thinking that, in the current economy, you need to hang on to that battle-scarred vehicle of yours in spite of the amount of time it's spent in the garage, the money it's costing you in repairs, and its awful appearance, to squeeze every last penny of value out of it. But it's something you just don't need to do. There is a whole new world of reliable, good-looking, and inexpensive cars on the market, the certified pre-owned car. This has the further effect of creating a new market in used car auto loans in Denver. Being a city of over 600,000 people, Denver has a large number of car dealerships, most of which are manufacturer dealerships with access to financing programs offered directly from the car makers. Buying used cars from these dealerships may come with auto loans similar to those offered by their makers if they are a part of the certified pre-owned inventory. The certification can have different definitions depending on the make, year, and model, and who's actually certifying the car. Certification usually covers minimal safety standards of the used car, guaranteeing, by way of inspections, repairs, and warranties, that the car will make minimum highway safety standards. Other more comprehensive certification programs include fully refurbishing cars to make them appear and run as good as they did when they rolled off the assembly line. The certified pre-owned vehicle concept has had a ripple effect on the auto loan industry. Lenders are far more keen to make auto loans on used cars if those cars come with a guarantee that they will last beyond the life of a loan. In downtown Denver, there are more than a dozen lenders who specialize in auto loans, and all of them have used car auto loan programs in their inventory. Now you're wondering how a bank, credit union, loan agency, etc. can have an inventory. Think of auto loans as products. There are different loan packages with different conditions that are pre-packaged for various clients. Such packages include basic used car loans, used truck loans, bad credit car loans, 0% interest car loans, along with others. When you think of the number of car dealerships in downtown Denver, consider the fact that each one is its own car finance company. Then consider that there are over a dozen lending companies in that same downtown area not associated with any of those dealerships. With all of them selling a product in the same immediate area along with other car loan companies in neighboring cities, competition is fierce to offer attractive used car auto loans to get more customers through their doors. For the dealership financing, many have the backing of the major car manufacturers to provide special discounts on auto loans aimed directly at people who are shopping for used cars. While credit experts often try to steer people from dealership financing, but there is a new market and a new way of doing business that can make used car auto loans from the dealerships more consumer-friendly in order to get more used cars out of their inventories. Smart shopping can keep you from stepping into any financial pitfalls if you remember that the dealer's financing department is just another sales arm of the company. Reading the fine print and making it clear that you will make your decisions in your time frame will get you into the car you want without the unnecessary pain in your wallet. Nationally known banks and credit unions are also in the business to sell loans and will do their best to sell a used car loan to their customers. If you have an account with your local Denver area bank, you stand a good chance of getting an auto loan for a used car that fits your needs and sense of style. Like the dealerships, banks and other lending companies have access to nationally backed financing programs with terms and conditions to fit your credit needs. Most make their financing options public by keeping brochures and applications on display for people like you to take home and review to figure out what auto loan path you wish to take. In the automotive industry, used has become something of a dirty word, conjuring images of sleazy car dealers trying to push rusty, sputtering jalopies onto any sucker who looks like he or she has some money to burn. The switch to pre-owned hasn't helped the industry very much and created an even more cynical consumer. But the industry change to certified used cars has brought some trust back to the market and a new wave of consumers willing to make a used car purchase in order to save thousands of dollars over a new car. With questionable dependability no longer an issue in the used car market, more people are willing to take the chance and get auto loans in Denver on that used car. Federal Auto Loan. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.